Alright, in this video I want to introduce you to a WordPress plugin called SuperCloaker. So previously in another section of this course I introduced you to a plugin called WP Zero Balance, which is a back button redirect WordPress plugin. But what SuperCloaker does, it has a lot of different features, but I mainly just use it for cookie stuffing. So when a user comes to the page, you can cookie stuff them with multiple cookies for multiple affiliate programs. So I'm going to show you how I use that. I'm not an expert at it or anything, but I just use that one basic feature, but it has a couple other features that you can explore. It's a one-time price, so it's right now it's $167. So you just go to SuperCloaker, SuperCloakr.com, and you can learn more about that. But once you install it, it will be under your settings in WordPress, and then you'll come on here under SuperCloaker and make sure it's active. Once you're ready to make it active, if you want to deactivate it, just uncheck that and click save, and then you'll click add campaign. And honestly, I just have all of my links in the same campaign, but I'm just gonna go and edit this. But if you're creating a new one, you can click add campaign. You'll just give it a name. I'm gonna click edit though, and so it's pretty simple to use. Just give it a name, make sure the campaign is active. You have all these three little sections: cloak what, cloak who, and cloak how. For cloak what, I mostly just select all the pages. When you select all though and save it, for whatever reason it unchecks this all and it leaves all these checked. But I'm just going to select all these pages. And then for this next section, I don't really do much here, but you can, it comes with a little help PDF guide. You can read about what each of these sections are, but I don't usually do much with that section. But basically, I just want the iframes or the cookies to be stuffed on all the pages. So that's that first section. Second section, you can explore that, and then the third section is cloak how. So basically, how do you want to cloak or cookie stuff. I haven't really explored many of these other options. I mainly just stick to cloak, and then have it via hidden frame. So if you want to make sure that it's working, you can add some height to this, maybe make it like 100 pixels, just so you can see whether or not the page that you're trying to cloak or redirect to or cookie stuff for is pulling up. But once you see that it is, I usually leave this to 0, and then I plug the link in here, and then I instead of you got this rotate URLs randomly or sequentially, I just add separate URLs or separate frames. So when I'm ready to add another URL, I'll just click add another frame, and you'll get another box like this, because I don't really want the links to be rotated between. I want them all to be stuffed at the same time, if that makes sense. So once you're done, you'll just click save campaign, and you can test this out again by giving these pixels some height, just to make sure that all those affiliate links are being cloaked, and this will give you the chance to see those pages. But once you see that everything's working right, you can set these to 0, click save, and that's pretty much all you need to do. So that's SuperCloaker. Again, this is just a way to cookie stuff your pages, because you're doing the SEO, you're putting in the effort to get the traffic to the site. So if you don't want to gamble or hope that people are going to click your links or your banners, or hopefully click the back button, you can invest in SuperCloaker, and that's going to cookie stuff their browser for multiple cookies at the same time, for multiple affiliate programs as soon as they visit your page.